How to configure AWS Systems Manager. Learning objective. Learn AWS Systems Manager that enables to take action on AWS EC2 instances safely and at scale. Learn to use Run command, one of the automation features of Systems Manager, to simplify management tasks by eliminating the need to use bastion hosts, SSH, or remote PowerShell. Log on to your AWS console, and go to IAM Service. In the side panel, click on Roles, under Access Management. Click on Create Role. Select the type of trusted entity as AWS Service and choose a use case, EC2. Click on Next, Permissions. In Next step, attach permission policies, search for Amazon EC2 role for SIM, and select that policy. Skip the Add Tags step and continue. In the Review step, configure as follows. Provide role name as EC2 role for System Manager. And role description, this role provides EC2 access to Systems Manager. Finally, click on Create Role. Now it's time to create two EC2 instances. In EC2 Service, click on the Launch Instances and create an Amazon EC2 instance with a security group that has SSH and HTTP rules. One important point to take note of. In the Configure Instance Details, in the Subnet field, select on the drop-down list and select one of the subnets from list. Here we have selected 1A for this instance. In the IAM role field, select the role created previously. Similarly, launch one more instance and select 1B subnet while configuration along with the IAM role created. Later, confirm that both the instances are in running state. Back in the AWS console, go to AWS Systems Manager Service. In the side panel, click on Run command, under Node Management. Click on the Run command button. Here, search the document as follows. Document name prefix, equals, AWS Update SSM Agent. Press Enter. Select the radio button and scroll down to Targets. Select Choose Instances manually and select the two instances created previously. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Run to run the command. Once redirected, wait until the status changes from in progress to success. After that, it signifies we have updated the EC2 instance SSM agent, so as to operate commands over the instance, remotely. Go back to Run command under Node Management. Click on the Run command button again. Now, search the document as follows. Document name prefix, equals, AWS Run Shell Script. Press Enter. Select the radio button. Scroll down to Command Parameters. Give the following script. Find the script in the description box below. After pasting the script, scroll down to Targets. Select Choose Instances manually. And select the two instances created above. Scroll to the bottom and click on Run to run the command. In the next page, wait until the status changes from in progress to success. Following this, go to EC2 console, select the instances one at a time. Copy the IP for public IP or the DNS name in description box found below. Run the IP address in a new tab of your browser to check if the web server is running. If the message is visible, it means the web server is running. Once you are done with this, make sure you terminate the instances.
Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.